I'll tell you how to convert this website into this website in the next few minutes. Today, we're going to make a landing page for a social media publishing app. We'll be making this whole website using AI alone. First of all, we make a website template. Okay. For that, I'm choosing Cursor IDE. To download this, go to cursor.com and download for Windows. Yeah, it has a paid plan, but you know what? You could use unlimited creation using their free trial. So, if you're smart enough, you know what I'm trying to say. Just go for a free trial, and when the free trial gets over, make another account and again go for free trial until you make that first dollar. Then you know get a plan. Respect them for providing this platform. So first of all, I'm in Cursor IDE. What I needed to do is I needed to make a folder. I made a folder called projects, and in this folder is where I have made my social media publisher folder. And this folder you can open it with Cursor. For that, you have to go to Cursor and just open folder and just open folder. And if you click on this, you can go and open the folder social media publisher or whatever you are making. So we'll create a React project with TypeScript and Next.js with say, Tailwind and Shadcn installed. Okay. And the landing page must say hello world. So let it do its thing. Okay. So you can see this localhost 3000, which is already opened by the agent itself. Just click it and you open your browser. Should be running. And now we have a hello world button. And as you can see, as we have used Next.js and Shadcn, it's a pretty clean hello world, right? With Tailwind CSS. So design is already better with all these libraries. Now we have to just go ahead and make other changes. Let's ask it to make a social media publisher landing page. Name the app Social Hack. So this is what I'll be giving. Now I'll just run the prompt. Then I'll go to my local host where the page is running, and this is the page being made. So as you can see, it's nice. It's pretty basic, but this is how landing pages look. And as we have used our libraries, these are some good looking components right here, which has used. Okay. Now is the time we level up the design to another level. And a lot of people they can't use tools like Super Design. There's a tool called Super Design which is good for designers. They can understand prompt it good stuff, so it will output good stuff. But as users, as a common user, I would like to take a look at what I'm going to need. Like if I like this, then I want that in my website. So the best way to do that is going template shopping. And what we'll do is we will look at templates and we'll implement it on our website as it is. We're going to go into this beautiful website called 21st Dev. You could go into this website. They have a lot of beautiful templates. You can check it out. First of all, let's fix the hero section, right? Let's go to heroes. Okay, so guys, I found this template here. I like how the menu collapses when it comes down, and this is a pretty neat looking, and it's a good for a SaaS landing page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. So for that, you can open the component or directly copy the prompt from there. But I'm going to open the component, so I'll show you how it's done. Copy the prompt from here. You can copy it for lovable, versal, whatever you want, but we are copying it for cursor. So I'll keep it as it is. Copy the prompt and I'm going to give this command. So what you're going to type is we are going to say it integrate this template into our website according to the context. Now just go ahead and paste it and run it. Let's check it out. Oops. Okay. So there has been a type error. Okay. And yeah, I'll give you a reality check. Vibe coding will give you a lot of errors, but I'll show you how to debug it also. There was a reason I asked you to go for Next.js library because they are very evident about their issues. Usually, what we have to do is we have to open the inspector element and go and paste this to our comment. But here, you don't have to do anything. You just have to copy it, paste it in Claude, and let Claude fix the errors. You may have to do 2 to 3 times depending on the complexity of the template. Okay, so it has finished again. Let's check. Let's check the website. Okay, so I was right. It finished it up, but I don't like the heading text here. But yeah, it has uh, included the elements here. All of this can be changed. You could add your logos here. I'll show you how. Now I need logos of Apple, Google. How much? There are eight of them. I need eight logos. So I'll just collect these logos right now. I'll open a Canva file and I'll just make this because it'll be best if all the logos are in same size. So first I'll add an Apple logo. We'll just fill this out. While I make the logos, I thought why not just give it a task. So I gave it a task. It is going to make a dark mode and light mode, and it'll also plan out the design and fix it a bit like a senior designer. We'll download our logos with transparent backgrounds and open the folder, extract it. And what you'll do is you will take all these logos and cut it from here, and you just have to find the projects folder. Mine is social media publisher here. I'll just go to SRC and I'll make a new folder called logos and I paste all my logo files into that iteration of the website. Let's check it out. Oh, it has an error. Let's give it back. I'll ask it to fix the error and also add the logo files. Just typing this prompt won't do. You'll have to also give context. So press at this at the rate. For me, logos is not coming up. Don't worry. I'll just give it SRC and I'll just run the prompt for now. Meanwhile, let's check for the other components. But I really like this one. So I have a correction to make. If you have put the logos folder in SRC, it's put under publics folder, this public folder, because that's where it can be accessed, not the SRC folder. That was an honest mistake. So if you are using the logos, just go and put it in public folder. But if you don't do it, the AI would do it for you anyways. Here's another tip. If you think that these comments are going for too long, just press this button here, move to the background, then it'll proceed with other things. So as you can see, all the changes have been made. Our website has been made totally, and there are no errors. Successfully, it has been made. Let's go check out our beautiful website. So as you have seen this, there are two modes. My system is in dark mode, and it's perfectly reflecting that. That's great. So you can definitely go ahead and change these images. Just like how I showed you how to change the logo image, you can make another folder in public called header image and just change the header image. You don't have to worry about that. So these beautiful cards which we saw in the template, it's made exactly using that, and it's very relevant to our topic also, which is very important. And as you can see, this tilt cards, it's looking beautiful and the pricing has been implemented. You can see the effect how they club together. That's beautiful. And this small confetti above the menu, it's very thoughtful. Uh, and I like this testimonials part very much. It's all about social hack. See, social hack completely transformed. So the AI automatically load testimonials for you. How easy has life got? Uh, and that's a footer. I could have, sat for a few more like an hour or more and make this beautiful website even way more beautiful. You could, I mean, this is not according to my theme, but if you want something like this, you could just do it with one click and some debugging, it's there, you could get it. People used to pay lakhs for this just not few months ago. Now you could do it with a click of a button. I'll be making more such videos with a tremendous value. You could consider subscribing, and I'll see you with the next video.